Hey there! Today, we are going to make working with Excel much faster and easier by learning some super handy shortcut keys. Instead of clicking through menus, these key combinations will let you do things in a flash. We'll cover everything from making your cells look neat to managing your spreadsheets efficiently. Alignment and merge. Now let's talk about organizing your text within cells and combining cells. Alt plus H plus M plus C is fantastic for making titles. It will merge cells and center the text. Alt plus H plus A plus M. If your text needs to be in the middle alignment within the cell, this is your shortcut. Alt plus H plus A plus C for center alignment horizontally. Use this. Great for headings. Alt plus H plus W. Ever have text that's too long for a cell? This will wrap text, making it fit nicely. Number and conditional formatting. These shortcuts help you format numbers like currency or percentages and apply special formatting based on rules. Alt plus H plus N. This quickly opens the number formats dialog so you can pick how your numbers appear. Alt plus H plus L. Want to highlight data based on conditions? This opens conditional formatting options. Alt plus H plus L plus C. And if you want to remove any conditional formatting you've applied, this will clear conditional formatting.
And there you have it, a few simple keyboard shortcuts that can make a huge difference in your workflow. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this quick tutorial, please don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and comment below with your favorite Excel shortcut. And of course, subscribe or follow for more awesome tips and tricks. See you in the next video.